If we don't do something, the reality is there may not be a harvest for the generations ahead of us. We probably are looking at 40, 50 years of having harvests if we don't act now.
The Farming for Nature programme is pioneering in the industry. There are no retailers that are focusing on regenerative agriculture like Waitrose is.
It's about restoring the health of our soils. A good soil looks like chocolate sponge cake. The key aim really is to work in partnership with nature.
It's not a simple fix, it's a long-term project to build a natural, more resilient ecosystem.
We want to use Leckford as an example, as a centre for sharing excellence. We want all of our farmers to be adopting regenerative principles where they can.
It's not a destination, it's a journey that will take time, but the important thing is to be on that journey now.
We farm for flavour.
For biodiversity.
For soil health.
For the future.
And for every harvest still to come.